Hello folks, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna discuss about the self-pip reading part 2, which is reading to apply a diagram. In part 2 of the reading test, you will read an email, look at an accompanied diagram. The email may be work related, such as an order inquiry, or it can be personal, such as a list of apartments for rent. To complete the 5 blanks, you will need to understand the information in the diagram and relate it to the email message. Often, the diagram is a chart that combines illustrations and text. It is important to practice reading an assortment of diagrams so that you can sharpen your diagram reading skills. Let's move further. This is read the following email message about the diagram on the left. Complete the email by filling in the blanks. Select the best choice for each blank from the drop down menu. This is responding to the prompt. In this, what guidelines I can give you is that read the letter, clarify who the writer and the recipient are, how they know each other, and what the letter is actually describing you. Then start skimming the diagram. Pay close attention to how it is organized and where you can find specific information. For example, number of bedrooms and their price. Then look at the answer options. Make sure you understand what you need to know to fill in the blank. In this example, you need to discover how Kingsview and Winpig Place are different from the other two rentals. Keeping the answer option in mind, scan the diagram again to find the identifying factor. In this example, you should be able to recognize that Kingsview and Winnipeg Place are much cheaper than the other two. Okay, their rentals are much cheaper. Therefore, answer C. This is written, select the best answer for the blank 2. Blank 2 is, you will notice that Kingsview and Winnipeg Place, fill in the blank, then the other two. And the options are much smaller, are much newer, cost significantly less, are outside the downtown core. So here answer will be C. C is the correct answer. Now you can also apply the technique of eliminating the wrong answer. We will go one by one. First, A option is are much smaller. When we talk about size in rentals, we mean the number of bedrooms. Since Kingsview and Winnipeg Place are the same size as the beautiful view option, that is 2 bedrooms, this cannot be the correct answer. So A will be eliminated. This is incorrect. B option are much newer. Magna Gardens is the newest of the 4 rentals, if you can see. So this answer cannot be right. B option will be eliminated. Okay. D are outside the downtown core. The word core, okay, listen carefully. The word core here means center. So the downtown core is the same as the city center. As established in the first question, all the rentals are located downtown. So this answer is incorrect. So which answer is correct? C. You can also apply this technique. This is much more useful, like eliminating all the wrong answers, then you will get your right answer. So this was the general example of reading task 2. Let's move. Yes, this is for your practice. You can do practice test here. Get as much practice as you can with diagrams. Gather a selection of diagrams from newspapers, magazines, and other sources. Study a new diagram daily for at least 2 weeks. For each diagram, find out what kind of information is being communicated and how it is organized. Then test yourself by creating questions about the diagram and saying how quickly you can find the answer. And by this way, at the end of 2 weeks, look at all the diagrams together. Is there a common language? Are there common words, phrases, or expressions repeated on many of the diagrams that you can study? Are there repeating patterns that will help you in a test situation? So, by performing this test, you can evaluate yourself. And here are the vocabulary words. These are very basic vocabulary words which are used in that particular passage, like shop, mechanic, mention, say, bundle. Several things put together is known as bundle. And yes, the tips for these types of questions. In this question, take a brief look at the information in the diagram, then start reading the questions. You will be looking back and forth constantly between the diagram and the question on this task. This task has two parts. In the first part, question number 1 to 5, you need to interpret the information in the diagram. In the second part, you need to make some inferences about the passage in part 1. For example, the passage does not say that Lena is Omar's wife, but we can figure out where there are several clues in the text. The best clue is this: I am sure it will be great to have two drivers on your next family trip. So you have to focus on these particular clues which are given inside the paragraph. And yes, as much of practice you will do, you can perform better. So these are the answers for those paragraph. Any doubts, you can comment below in the comment section, or you can also comment if you require any particular type of video for any information you are seeking. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.